Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Tech and Talk. In this video, I explain main three questions about SVG file, where I can use SVG file, why I use SVG file, can I upload this SVG file on different stock photography website just like Adobe Stock, Canva. So all these questions explain in this video. So more request, watch complete video till end. Okay, let's start our video. First question is what is SVG file? So as you already know, SVG stand for Scalable Vector Graphics. Okay, it's a vector format that you can use on web designs and graphic designs as well. Most probably use the design on website and UI design. UI formats are frameworks because sometimes we scale down our website in smaller or larger size, so this format will help a lot. Next, you can create your logos, icons, buttons, and other graphics in SVG format as well. And the third main advantage of SVG file is can be easily edited using Adobe Illustrator, ColorDraw, even Inkscape also. Okay, the next question, why we use SVG file? Because this is in vector format, so you can use any platform or any stock photography website. And the main and biggest advantage is that they're low in size. This means you can upload on website without lagging browser or even loading time. The third is where we use. We can use it on website design, while UI design, even on your social media design. And the most important, you can sell this design on stock photography websites just like Canva, Adobe Stock, and Alami.com. Even you can upload this design. But on Shutterstock and FreePic only you can upload EPS files. Okay, let's see. I have a small icon of printer logo. So first I simply explain uh, this is related to text reading text logo. So I copy of one center of my artboard, scale it on. In this video I explain only how to make SVG file. I am not explaining how you can make designs in Adobe Illustrator. I explain only how you save your file in SVG format and upload on different websites. Okay, I hope you can understand. Well, scale down my ungroup. You can see the panel. First, I delete all these extra parts. I remove my background as well and my text color. Even I remove my text because on camera.com you cannot upload text format icon. You can only upload shape icon, just like I already make a shape icon. Okay, let's I select my icon and go to object, then artboard, fit to artboard bound. Now this is the first step. Now second step is my go to my save as button, file save as button, and now go to SVG. There I select my desktop, and here I can my file as a text scanner 3. Simple. Okay. Now this is a small or tricky part of saving SVG file. First, you must set profile as SVG 1.1. This is because the SVG 1.1 file can load on any browser, even latest or older version of browser as well. And the CSS property must be a presentation attributes. This is the one-time setting, and all options remain same. And hit OK. this. This is our file created by Adobe Illustrator. Now I upload this file on Adobe Adobe Stock. Upload here, and also I upload this file on canva.com as well to show you this file can be uploaded on canva.com as well and Adobe Stock. You can see both files are uploaded. I can add a title, text, inner icon, artbook, artist name is that's I simply again short video and you must make a perfect title and keyword as well in different online website. Okay, I simply next and save for pro and hit OK. So you can see that my file is submitted for review. And similarly for Adobe Stock, you can choose an icon. Yes, icon, single icon. You can see Adobe Stock already recognize that this is a icon because this is SVG format as well. And I simply said no. I next inner icon. Next, Adobe Stock already suggested me a keyword, and I simply select this keyword and hit submit. So both files are submitted on Adobe Stock and also on Canva.com. And in this way, you can make a simple SVG file and upload on different website as well. I already told you I do not teach how to use Adobe Illustrator or how to create icon. In this video, I only teach you how you make SVG file and upload on different stock from your website, Adobe Stock, and just like Canva. Okay, I hope this video will help a lot. And moving toward next video, I am telling something about my playlist, which is free pick. You can see playlist also available related to free pick, related to Canva, Adobe Stock, and even Shutterstock. All the playlist links are available in the description as well as the I button. So I hope this video will help you. Meet in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.